Hello everyone. In this video we will do two special triangles. First is an equilateral triangle and second is isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides are of equal length and each angle has equal measure of 60 degree. Here I am taking triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is said to be an equilateral triangle if all the three sides of triangle ABC, that is AB, AC and BC of triangle ABC are of equal length, and each angle of triangle ABC, that is angle A, angle B and angle C are of equal measure, and each angle of triangle ABC be 60 degree. Next, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which any two sides of a triangle are of equal length and angle opposite to equal sides are of equal measure. Here I am taking triangle PQR in which PQ is equal to PR. Then angle opposite to equal side PQ and PR be angle Q and angle R. And if side PQ and PR are equal to each other, then angle Q and angle R be also equal to each other. So these are the two conditions of an isosceles triangle in which any two sides of a triangle are equal and angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. Next is try these, page number 123. Question number 1. Find angle X in each figure. First part, in this part we can see that these two sides are of equal length and X degree and 40 degree be the two angles which are opposite to these two equal sides, and we know that angles opposite to equal sides are of equal measure. Therefore X is equal to 40 degree because angles opposite to equal sides are of equal measure. Therefore X is equal to 40 degree. Next, second part. Now in this figure we can see that these two sides are of equal measure and angle 40 degree, and here I have marked this angle as angle 1. So angle 1 and 45 degree be the two angles which are opposite to equal sides. Therefore angle 1 will also be equal to 45 degree because angles opposite to equal sides are of equal measure. Therefore angle 1 is equal to also 45 degree. Now in this triangle we can use angle sum property to find the measure of angle X. So angle 1 plus 45 degree plus angle X is equal to 180 degree because of angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. But angle 1 is equal to 45 degree. So putting the value of angle 1 45 degree here, we get 45 degree plus 45 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. 45 plus 45, 90 plus X is equal to 180, which implies X is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90. Therefore measure of angle X is equal to 90 degree in second part. Next, third part. In this part again we can see that these two sides are of equal length. Therefore angle opposite to these two equal sides will also be equal to each other, and X and and 50 degree be the two angles which are opposite to these two equal sides. Therefore, these two angles will be equal to each other. Therefore, x is equal to 50 degree because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Therefore, x is equal to 50 degree.